making me busy, man.
That's what it's supposed to do, hey.
Fucking me in, man. Hey, man, you're not gonna make me do your dirty laundry. You ain't gonna drop your laundry on the track.
Oh, no, baby, you know, I may do something with it. I don't know. Custom wing, one-of-one. Everything else I can't talk about.
You can't.
I respect NDAs.
Man, I raced you before.
Okay.
And this Tesla is bad. Who's here to action? Who wants some action?
I don't know.
Go
my
see.
boy say put something on.
He say put something on it.
No matter what, we do it for
No
fun.
matter when.
This is what we love.
I got my raggedy ass Mustang out here.
You got your raggedy Mustang. Boy, nobody want to race Magic Johns. You know they caught you goddamn fat. All right, guys, check it out. I'm out here at XRP, going to race EV Smoke with the Silverback. So I'm waiting on them to get here. As you can see, they got cars going down the line with the street. What's up, man? Man, I wish I could get in one of these race classes, but we'll see. Oh, look at him, look at him. He got the, hey, man, I don't want to look at that. That's making me busy, man.
That's what it's supposed to do, hey.
Look at me in, man. God, no.
People out there, bro, the whole squad. Elon, drop that tune over there. Come
Hey,
on.
man, don't worry. Hey, Elon, don't give him no tune.
Drop that tune on this.
Elon, don't give him no tune. I'm gonna put his soul back on the Alta Mopar. Hey, man, what have you done to your Tesla? Cause this ain't no regular Tesla.
The route. It's the route. It's all in the route.
It's all in the route.
Yeah. Start off with safety first, always.
Okay.
Before anything else, have safety first. We definitely upgrade the brakes, carbon ceramics all the way around. 6-point Hornets.
Okay, so you have a 6-point Hornets.
That's the handle for the parachute, of course.
Parachute on there.
Yeah, for safety, man. And not for just looks.
Is that a parachute on the back? Or is that a backpack?
Backpack, actually, ain't no parachute.
But it may do some numbers eventually.
You ain't gonna drop your laundry on the track.
Oh no, baby, I may do something with
Hey,
it.
man,
I don't
what's
know.
that? You got a cage in there?
We got a little 4-point roll cage.
4-point roll cage.
But we still full interior, real seat delete. Custom wing, one-of-one.
Okay.
My guys at Unplugged Performance out in California, they make the magic happen for me, though.
Unplugged Performance.
But it's the rap, though. Everything else I can't talk about.
You can't.
I respect NDAs.
Man, I raced you before.
Okay.
And this Tesla is fast.
No, it ain't, man.
No, man, this Tesla is fast.
Stop telling people that.
Stop it, man. I feel like you faster than the average Tesla.
Try to say we can race the boosty board. They got that. I don't know if you seen that Plaid. It's cut in half.
Oh yeah, they.
I run that, just to show something.
Huh? Who's here to action? Who wants some action? Anybody, hey, I'm calling out EV Smoke.
Yeah, we gotta do this first, then you can get everybody else.
Yeah. If anybody else wants something, anybody can get it. Hey, EV Smoke, we gonna get it, man.
For sure.
We gonna make it happen, baby.
For sure.
All right, baby.
We race out here in Texas, though, no matter what.
Sir.
We
Yes,
do
sir.
it for
No
fun.
matter when
This is what we love.
We have fun.
No matter nitrous, turbo, floor, electric, we do it out here in Texas.
That's
baby.
it, baby. That's
we
it.
love racing out here.
This time he's gonna race the Charger, the Silverback, the car that we built for Roadkill Nights. And this car is pretty much just a Redeye engine with 100 shots of nitrous from Nitrous Outlet. Hey man, if you like the content, if you like to see somebody that's actually racing, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure that you follow the channel, guys. Ooh, they got a lot of cleanup to do in this thing. Grim is up here getting it busy. He got his mop. Man, look at this little Datsun, man. This thing gotta weigh like in the 2000s. Ah, dang, they got Grim with the mop up here. He on mop duty. What's going on, Galen? Hey, Galen, can you give some track advice to new racers? What would you tell a brand new racer?
It's really not a lot different than I see people street race and stuff. It's not really a lot different from the street, actually. It's a safe environment. If something does happen, which we hope they don't, to get crashed, we've got safety. We've got everybody on site to do it. Just in case, I hate to see people get hurt in these things, and it gives a drag racing really a bad reputation sometimes. But you know yourself. I've been watching you for years. I know where you're at. Know where you know where you came from.
You know, as a retired police officer, he's absolutely right. Out on the streets, if you get in an accident, you got about 15 minutes before somebody can get to you. That call has to go to dispatch, then dispatch has to put that out to FD, then FD sends it to PD. So it's a while before somebody can get to you and you can bleed out really quick. But at the drag strip, they're right there waiting on to make it happen. Oh man, I thought that was Slim over here. Hold on, man. I was finna get mad. I ain't gonna call you Slim. Look, hey, y'all ain't finna jump on me, man. That's his homeboy. Hey, what's going on, Timmy? Hey, man, I got the Silverback out here, man. What y'all got for my Silverback?
You want to try that blue Mustang again?
Yeah, come on, man. I'm ready for that blue beater. Hey, so next time,
next
what?
time the race happens,
I'm sitting at a restaurant. Like
if we win, all your subscribers gotta go follow.
Okay. But what's gonna happen if you lose, though?
For sure.
Like people don't know.
You're gonna take some jiu-jitsu lessons.
But if y'all lose, then I need to use that lift at least for a week. All right, there we go. Hey man, you heard it, man. Calvin, they done put you in a bet that you're not gonna win because the Black Ghost is pissed off. Hey man, what car did you bring, my brother?
Vivian, I got my office girl out here.
You got your office girl. What?
A lot of people
Vivian.
she's going 7.
Vivian.
A little 18 twin turbo Mustang, snow performance fuel system.
Well, hey man, well, y'all need to put that up with Silverback.
It's a 4,100 pound daily driver.
Man, my car's wait a minute.
That's just gutted.
Yeah, but look at my belly. I'm putting the gut back in it. Hey man, what you running today?
Keep swinging on me with your
Wait, hold on, man.
I got his helmet back there and swinging on people with the helmet.
Hey man, just in case.
He keep turning around.
Hey man, I gotta be ready.
Got my raggedy ass Mustang out here.
You got your raggedy Mustang. Boy, nobody want to race Magic Johns. You know they caught you goddamn.
Tell him to give old girl the move for 500.
You gonna do it? No.
Come on.
So here we go.
Little 20-year-old girl.
For 500, she
In
gonna
a
be nervous.
200 pound car.
Man, let me consult with my lawyer, all right? I'll be back.
Get on out of here, man. Let's get back over here to the cars and get ready to get some racing.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.